या वर्सा आमी सांजाव आमच्या शिवोली गोजीच्या फुडल्यान मनयतली ऑन द 24 जून 3 PM ऑनवर्ड्स आणि this year it will be even bigger and grander. आमचे शिवोली ट्रेडिशनल कल्चर सांजाव कमिटी along with Goa Tourism Department. So ह्या वर्सा I really request and plead with all my fellow Goans, ह्या वर्साचो सांजाव मुद्दम करून येयात आणि हाजो अनुभव घेयात. It will be right in front of our Shioli church, St. Anthony's Church, 3:30 PM onwards. And we also have in our midst amcho Sarpanch Amit, all the ward members, the local ward member from here by Fairmean and Angasolle locals. So please come and enjoy the bigger, grander Sanjav this year in our very own Shioli constituency in front of the Shioli St. Anthony's Church with in coordination with tourism department. So it will be all celebration of our Goan culture. Yeah.
Any special invitee this time as this is going to celebrate with the help of tourism department?
Special invitee is आमचो चीफ मिनिस्टर येता जाल्यार ट्युरिजम मिनिस्टर आसतलोच आणि we are in the final stages of also deciding about that, but the best of singers, the best of band and the local boat traditional boats coming and more and bigger prizes this year to be won.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.